everyone, and welcome back to MasseyHacks JumpStart. We hope you had an amazing initial week, and we're excited to present week 2 of JumpStart.
We would like to give a huge thanks to our generous sponsors for making this event possible. Thank you to our gold tier sponsors, Altura NFT and Connecting Windsor Essex, our silver tier sponsor, WeTech Alliance, and our bronze tier sponsors, WFCU, Echo AR, Sticker Mule, Tascade, 1Password, Art of Problem Solving, University of Windsor School of Computer Science, Gen.xyz, Interview Cake, IEEE Windsor Section, VoiceFlow, and University of Windsor Students Alliance. We're also super happy to present our partners, Hack the North and Major League Hacking.
And now onto the rules. In general, please comply with the directives issued by any and all MasseyHacks VIII organizers. Harassment of any kind is completely intolerable. Discrimination and disrespect against people of specific races, schools, sexual orientations, beliefs, or political views will result in disqualification and dismissal from the event. Basically, don't be a jerk. Finally, please ensure that you abide by the MNH Code of Conduct at all times. Regarding challenge submissions, all work submitted to the MasseyHacks, JumpStart, and associated events must be your original work. All projects must have been started no earlier than the start of a week's challenge, unless otherwise specified, and no cross-submitting is permitted. The verdicts of all judges regarding prizes and awards are final. If you need any help during the event, use the ticket system under the support category on Discord. Please do not ping or privately message an organizer directly, as it is extremely hard to keep track of requests that way. Don't forget about these important links during the event. If you haven't joined Discord yet, please do so at join.masseyhacks.ca. All our event announcements, activities, and information is available on Discord. And as always, all our ceremonies and workshops are recorded and available on our YouTube channel at watch.masseyhacks.ca.
Due to the large amount of Learnathon submissions, unfortunately, we weren't able to finish judging all of the projects just yet. However, keep your eye out on the announcements channel on our Discord server, where we'll be announcing the winners soon. And now, onto the second week of JumpStart, web development. Here's the outline for today. From 1:15 p.m. to 2 p.m., we'll have our first Intro to Web Development workshop, followed by our activity from 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. From 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m., we'll have our second Intro to Web Development workshop, and after that, from 3:30 p.m. to 4 p.m., we'll have a break. And finally, from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m., we'll have our Web Requests and APIs workshop. The Web Development Challenge will be released tonight. The deadline to submit is on Friday, April 22nd at 11:59 p.m. Keep in mind that even if you don't completely finish in time, you'll still receive points for submitting. For this week, our first place prize is an Amazon Echo Dot, and our second place prize is a Rocketbook mini notebook. And that concludes the web development opening ceremonies. We'll see you at the web development workshops starting at 1:15.